Hi friends, welcome to Git series. So in the previous video, I explained about the branching strategy. If you are good at the branching strategy, how in the real time this command is very useful. Most probably people don't know about this one. They will do manual thing, everything. What is the use of the stash command? Is nothing but saving a file in a temporary space. That's it, nothing else. Okay, what are the ways? Six different types of stash command is available. Okay, in what requirement we are using. Okay, let me open my Ubuntu machine. Okay, in the previous video we used git branch. Okay, if you use, we created a bug fix. I have a develop, I have a master, and I have a feature. Okay, so what I will do, I will go for checkout and I will go for develop. Okay, git status command. If you do the ls command, all files are same. Here how you need to use the stash command I will explain. Assume that as a developer you created one file inside your payment folder. Okay, suppose not only payment for, okay, I will go for the payment also. Okay, payment directory, this everything was created in the previous video. Okay, here I am creating one new file. Okay, maybe we can say uh, admin.java, one file I created. So assume that if you use the git status command, okay, what we have admin.java file you have, and what I will do, I will edit login.java file also here. I will say hi, just save, close. Okay, now git status command. If you see, I have a modified file, I have admin.java. Admin.java is not yet available inside your remote repository. First point. The second point, this file you modified. Now by this time manager came, hey man, there is a hot fix, there is a issue in the master branch, go and work on that branch. Right now you can park this one. Okay, you don't want to commit this file in your repository, I mean inside the staging. Why? Because this is still ongoing, this is not yet finished your work, right? Am I clear as of now? Git status hyphen yes, one for modified file, one for unknown file. Now you want to check out your master without losing these changes, then what is the way you need to do? So this time you need to use your stash command. Okay, observe here, clear now. Git status, right? Now you got two files. Now just use git stash command. If you use the stash command, see, saved working directory and index is updated, payment feature added. Okay, if you go and observe git log, see, you are inside your payment feature is added, some name it is added. What you want to do, this is when it is updated at 2:11. Now the time is what, 2:28. That commit is not available inside your repository. Now you can go, if you see the status command, you modified one file, right? That modified file is available, that file is not available here. Why? Because you stored this file in a temporary place. Okay, now you can go, you can check out your master, you can go and check out the master. Okay, here if you use cd dot dot, okay, git branch, you are in the master branch now. Okay, inside the master you want to create one more file, m.txt. Okay, I want and I want to commit something. There is some bug fix happen, that bug fix I'm giving now. Git add m.txt. Okay, and git commit hyphen m. Okay, bug is resolved, I'm giving some message. Now you can push your git repository. Now what I will do, java express channel, you want to provide your username and password. Okay, now you pushed your changes to your master branch. Go and check here. m.txt we created, right? Where is my master? Okay, see, 28 seconds are resolved. Now you need your changes inside your payment folder. Okay, now go and git branch. Now I want to go for git checkout, develop, clear screen, git status. Now I'm using one command. If you see git stash, you can use list. If you see here, inside one directory you want to use this commit changes inside your payment, your develop branch. How you need to do? You need to use command git stash pop. If you use, see, your file is back, modified file, payment slash login.java. All your changes came. It is not yet committed. Everything will be stored inside your stash command. I hope you guys are clear about the stash command, why exactly I'm using. Without ignoring your changes, without I mean to say, people how used to do, they will copy these all files in one folder. Your master is fixed, then again copy paste. You no need to do anything. You can use the stash command in the real time. It is very useful command. Now you can do any number of times. If I use the git stash, some latest commit name will be add. If you see, payment feature is added. Now if you want to commit your new files, how you need to do? Okay, what I will do now, again, if you do cat stitch list, see, now are you able to see your recent commit here? You can't see. Why? Because you use the pop command. Changes need to come, then remove from the stash list. That is what I'm using. This is another command. You can use git stash pop. Now what I will do, I will use git stash command again. Okay, clear screen. If I use git stash list, I have one. What I will do, if you use git status hyphen yes, I have this file. What I will do, I will add this file, git add. Okay, just a copy paste git status and git commit. I will do commit also, this particular, nothing, just is a normal adding now. Okay, I missed I. Okay, now what I will do, git status. Now your branch is head. Now you can see git stashes hyphen list. Sorry. Oh. Git stash list. Now what I will do, ls command, I will change something in h.txt file. What I will do, gedit h.txt. I will say hi, just save, close. If I use again stash, again it will be a store. If you see, same command, see, two stash commands are. Again if you do again gedit and some name I wrote, save. See, okay, I didn't use the git stash. See, default one name is adding admin payment feature. If you want to give some specific name, okay, now this time what I will do here, hello, how are you, just save and close. Okay, now if you see the git status command, you modified. If you use the git stash hyphen list, okay, sorry, 3 stash will be there. Now I'm adding stash save command I have. You can use I can give modified h. Now you can check, see, modified h 0 stash 0 0 1 2. If you use the pop command, these changes it will be get in your local and it will be removed from the stash. Okay, if you want to drop one stash, then how you need to use means you can use git stash drop command. You can use the drop command. See, the stash is removed, those changes are gone. Now if you again use drop command, now again if you see here only two. Now if you want to clear all the stashes in your git, then what you need to use git stash just clear command. Now if you see the list empty, no data is available. This is the use of the stash command. It is very important, you should learn. You can practice, then you will understand. If you have any doubts, leave your comments in the video section. Okay, I hope you guys are clear. Please like and subscribe our channel and to get more updates. Thank you guys.